model, and we have the camouflage, as you can see, with the grey, also all the decals. There are lots of little details in the decals. These are mostly raised rivet lines and panel lines. You can see inside there's some engine detail. You can see there are our 3 mirrors and the detail for the gun. And I actually drilled out some of those holes there, as you can see. A lot of detail on this model kit. And so you can see here the weapons that I chose, including the jamming kit. This one, you can see here I've got my air brakes out. And let's flip it over. And you can see there the weapons and the details for the wheel wells. Here's the Gatling gun, also details in there for the wheel well. So this is a very nice model kit. You can also see some of the details here of the cockpit and ejection seat. And you can also see the details there of the instrument panel. So, as you can see here, the model does stand without the rod behind due to the weight that I put in the nose. I just used lead fishing balls, and they came out quite nice. This is a review of the A-10 Warthog. It's a 1/48 scale model by Revell, and it's a fairly nice model with a lot of detail. We'll go through the instructions. Those are all the colors needed. And we start off with our pilot and cockpit. Put our fuselage together. We start off with the nose, wheel well, as well as the gun. Then our engines and turbines go together. Next we put the wings on. Now you can have the wings with the these are air brakes, either open like that, or you can have them closed. You would need to glue them shut. Here's our stabilizer and tail. Here's the landing gear and wheels. There's the other side. It's a fair amount of detail. The nose wheel goes on there, and then additional pieces for the fuselage. Now, they do want you to put a clear plastic rod that comes with the kit underneath the tail to support it. I did not do that. Instead, I mounted a weight in the nose because I don't like having that clear rod. And next, I put the cockpit on. Don't forget your mirrors, and you can have the ladder down if you want to, or closed. I had mine up. Next, you put on your pylons, and then you start to put on the weapons. And so the different options that you can do for the weapons. So you can do the air-to-ground missiles as the 65 Mavericks. There's also electronic jamming pod, one of those. And then here's another option with cluster bombs. And then there's a napalm container. And then you have, these are the decals. And there's the other side. There are a lot of decals in this kit, and they're really good quality, lots of detail. Here's one from the Maryland Air National Guard. This is a camouflaged version. And then this is another version from Air Force Base in Arizona. And there's the paint guide.